Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. Most carpets that you buy today, if you can take care of them, if you can have them professionally cleaned by somebody who does a good job and has good referrals at least once a year, you can keep a carpet 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 years. I go into a lot of houses where the people who live in the house are immaculate. Everything is clean, everything is well taken care of. If everybody kept their house as neatly as some of these clients that I'm referring to, I would eventually be out of business. I'm going to tell you that it is possible with proper care. It's not enough to buy the carpet. Talk to the dealer about what you should do to care for it. That's a conversation that will repay you over and over again. Ken Fain, Island Carpet, Tile and Hardwoods.